how to allow contacts only to call and message during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Now in here, go down, then tap on Do Not Disturb. After that, we scroll down and tap on calls and messages. Then go down to the Also Allow section and tap on calls, and make sure you select contacts only. By default, this is set to none so that during Do Not Disturb, no one can call you or message you. So here, if we change it to contacts only, then anyone in your contact list will be able to call you or message you during Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.